MinneDemo really helped our business quite heavily because we could test right away in that audience that night to just get reactions from people or test our message, our marketing message, or like how this tech could be used, and that was fantastic.
The demo experience was awesome. We started at a hackathon about a month and a half prior. It was really exciting and encouraging to even be selected for MinneDemo.
A lot of times we end up really siloed and you work on your project and you don't really get to see or share what you've been doing with everybody else.
It actually might have been the first time that we presented our product in front of a crowd of any kind. And so it really made myself and our team think through our product and what do we really want to showcase about our product.
It was amazing being in this auditorium with like 1,000 or more people, and we felt so welcome being there from the tech community. It made us feel like more than an ed tech company, it made us feel like rock stars.
I was lucky enough to present at the Guthrie Theater, and it was an amazing stage. It was an awesome experience to be able to present in terms of a huge audience. And since then, we've had a ton more users and a lot more adoption in our beta product.
The MinneDemo experience really helped us with attracting a team of developers that allowed us to extend the platform beyond its original design. So MinneDemo was absolutely awesome for us.
Demoing at MinneDemo was validation that people thought our idea was cool. And it gave us the motivation we needed to continue on and build the company that we built today.
We established a lot of new relationships with people in the room, and a lot of public relations wins came after that. In trying to develop a new marketplace, it was helpful to have a bit of energy around the stories we were telling.
It gave us a lot of exposure, even though we didn't commercially pursue the product because of some technical reasons we couldn't figure out after hiring 10 different developers. But that gave us a lot of sense how to start a company and then do other projects.
One of the biggest takeaways, another good takeaway out of doing the MinneDemo is I was kind of embarrassed and frustrated with my slide. I thought I did terrible, but I later got good feedback. Oh, Nate, you did okay, you did it. And then out of the blue, who's now kind of a local celebrity, Clay Collins, grabs me and says, Nate, that was an awesome talk. Can you be a guest on my marketing show? It's like, what? Clay Collins, are you serious? And I've been incredibly fortunate that relationships like that, an incredible friendship and mentorship have come out of being involved and getting out and just talking to the community here in the Twin Cities has been invaluable.
I guess the best advice is pick a story and tell a story. I sort of did what I now know as sort of a harbor cruise, sort of, I can do this, I can do that. And one, it's not very interesting, and two, it takes too long.
Yeah, don't be afraid to submit, and then, don't think anything you've built is necessarily not cool to the populace, because you'd be surprised what ends up working out.
I think the biggest thing that I've learned is just how important events are. Whether it be MinneDemo, whether it be like the Game Developers Conference if you're an aspiring game designer, you have to be visible and you have to be where people are, and it's those events that have those concentrations of people that are interested in the type of work that you're doing, and you have the greatest chance to kind of make a splash.
Have your product ready. Have it ready for consumption right then. Like, people who are watching MinneDemo want to go home and try it out or download it right there.
Any MinneDemo presenter would be to rehearse, rehearse, and rehearse, and have your script down cold and be prepared for something to go wrong.
Also, make sure you have 2 or 3 presenters. I think works great. One doesn't seem to be enough, and 4, 5, 6 seems to be a crowd.
I think it's a top quality event. I think it's something that puts Minneapolis on the map when it comes to entrepreneurship and technology. I always tell people it's kind of the tech crunch of Minneapolis.
And MinneDemo is a great opportunity to give people a glimpse into what it is you've been working on, what you're passionate about, and at the end of the day, just to have a beer with some friends and have some laughs and realize that we're really fortunate to get to do what we do.